Hello and welcome to Gladys Cake Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my quick homemade lemon curd recipe, which is used for filling cakes. This recipe is a special request from some of my caker friends, so hopefully you'll find it useful too. For starters, you'll need 6 egg yolks broken and set aside. To separate the yolks from the egg whites easily, ensure your eggs are broken from cold. I had these eggs left from a baking session which were left in lukewarm water. Needless to say, it wasn't easy separating the egg yolks. In a separate bowl, add granulated sugar to the egg yolks, 2 large eggs and the rind of 4 lemons. Mix all together thoroughly with a whisk. While mixing, add in freshly squeezed lemon juice. The ingredient details are on screen for your convenience. Transfer the egg and lemon syrup onto a double boiler, stirring slowly whilst ensuring the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water underneath. Also observe and regulate the heat so the water does not boil too quickly, as this might cook the eggs. As the water begins to warm and boil underneath, the egg syrup will begin to cook up slowly. Over time, the syrup will thicken, changing from syrup to a near starchy mixture, also known as curd. Remove the bowl from the double boiler and sieve over a strainer to rid of the lemon rind residue. Add in 70 grams of cold unsalted butter diced into small pieces. The cold butter aids cooling the mixture. Stirring together until melted. Transfer into a jar and set to cool for use later if needed. This batch of lemon curd was used for filling this lemon cake right here, and the same recipe was used for another cake a while ago, but I'll leave that story for another day. Thanks for watching.